When you help someone shift their mindset, overcome a major block, rebuild their confidence, or make a bold life change, that transformation doesn't stop with them. It spreads to their family, their team at work, their friends, and even strangers they inspire along the way. You become the quiet catalyst for generational healing, stronger relationships, kinder workplaces, and more purposeful living. Years later, clients often tell you how one conversation with you changed the entire direction of their life, and in turn influenced dozens or hundreds more. Few careers let you plant seeds that grow far beyond what you can see or count. What starts as one-on-one sessions quietly turns into a lasting legacy of positive change that outlives you. If you want your work to matter in ways that echo long after the paycheck, life coach training could be the path that lets you live that kind of meaningful impact. Learn more about starting your journey at wainwrightglobal.com.